Good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Mina Jane Aliling. I live at 32 years old. I live at San Juan Dos, General Trias, Cavite. I finished 2-year course of computer programming in C2. I'm married and I have one son. I have one brother, age 27 years old. I have one sister, age 30 years old.
Tell me about your work experience as a domestic helper.
I work as domestic helper in Philippines in last March 2020 to March 2022.
How many helpers in the house?
Only me.
Did you renew your contract?
No, because I want to expand my experience as domestic helper in other countries.
What will you do in the house start from the morning?
First, ma'am, I will fix myself and prepare food for my employer. After, I clean the house including windows and walls. Washing clothes, ironing, and sometimes I wash the car of my employer.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn and to give money to support my family financial needs and prove that I can be a good household worker in abroad.
How can you manage your homesick?
Homesick is normal, but I will make sure to control my homesick by making myself busy.
Tell me about your experience in taking care of newly born baby.
In my personal experience, I'm the one who look at the baby. I do feeding, changing clothes, changing diaper, preparing vitamins, and sterilize the bottle.
What will you do if the baby has a fever?
First, I will check the temperature using thermometer and I will call my employer to inform what happened to the baby.
Do you have experience of taking care of elderly?
No, but I treat the elderly like my own parents and I will follow all the orders and always give respect every time I talk to them.
Can you promise not to break your 2 years contract?
Yes, I promise not to break my 2 years contract. I can manage it by show positive attitude to the employer. I promise to finish whatever commitment signed with them.
Can you sing a song like nursery rhymes?
The wheels on a bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on a bus go round and round, all through the town.
Tell me about your cooking experience.
Simple meals like Filipino foods like steamed fish, fried rice, bihon, and noodles. But I'm willing to learn how to cook kind of dishes to serve my employers properly.
Tell me what time do you sleep at night and what do you do before sleeping?
I sleep at night as long as I finish my all house duties, and before sleeping, I will make sure all the doors and windows are properly locked.